हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू TechSoftSolution। आज के सेशन में अपन देखेंगे डेटाबेस। व्हाट डू मीन बाय डेटाबेस, व्हाट डू मीन बाय डेटा इन द डेटाबेस। डेटा एक्चुअली में डेटाबेस में कैसे क्या मीनिंग है डेटा इन डेटाबेस। सो अब देख रहे हैं जैसे कि आपके स्क्रीन पे राइट एक इमेज दिख रही है। यहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं कि अपना डेटाबेस जो डेटा होता है वो एक रैक के फॉर्मेट में सिस्टम में स्टोर्ड होता है राइट। सो इसमें अपन डेटाबेस को फर्स्ट एनालाइज करेंगे। व्हाट डू मीन बाय डेटा। ओके, सो डेटा इज़ नथिंग बट अ रॉ फैक्ट। रॉ फैक्ट मतलब बोले तो क्या, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन जो आपको मीनिंगफुल लग रही हो। लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल 1 2 3 1 2 5 4 3 2, it give you a meaningful gesture like it is a number. So it is nothing but a data of number. Okay, so what do you mean by data? A data is nothing but a information. A data nothing but your personal information. Data is nothing but your raw information wherever you have stored. Let's say for example a meaningful information आप बोल सकते हो। मीनिंगफुल इन्फॉर्मेशन में एग्जांपल के तौर पे आप पासवर्ड ले लो। ओके, पासवर्ड आपके लिए एक मीनिंगफुल इन्फॉर्मेशन है। आप पासवर्ड को आपके लॉगिन क्रेडेंशियल्स के साथ यूज़ कर सकते हो टू एक्सेस आपके social media account, to access your system. So this is nothing but a data for you. If you can see this screen right, over here we have one image where so many numbers are there, so many characters are there, so it represents a data of numbers. So, okay, apart from this, what do you mean by information? So information is nothing but something meaningful data or processed data or a data on whose basis we can make some decision or perform some action on it. So let's say for example, this is a file, and after this file we encountered one record. Okay, based on that record we can figure it out like this record is line which state and what was the date and all. So based on that we can identify and we can perform some action on that. Okay, what do you mean by database? It is a collection of large amount of data. ANSI, ANSI is an American National Standard Institution definition of database. According to this, for database is a collection of program that allows you to insert a data, update a data, and delete a data, and process the data. Simple words में database is database management system. We can say database is a collection of programs or a ready software that allows you to access your data or manage your data. Okay, what do you mean by database management system? A database management system, a software which allows you to manage your data and do manipulation of those data by help of some software, is nothing but the database management system. Okay, we have several databases softwares available in the market. For an example के तौर पे Excel, MS Excel is nothing but a database management system where you can maintain your inventory stuffs of, let's say for example, coffee shop. So where you can maintain your inventory stuffs, where you can manage your sales stuffs and your salary stuffs of your employees. So where you can maintain a data in the Excel, which is nothing but a database management system. तो जैसा कि हमने देखा राइट, MS एक्सेल एक डेटाबेस है जहाँ पे हम डेटा स्टोर करते हैं राइट। सो ऐसे ही अपने पास और भी अलग डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम्स है लाइक DBMS, Foxbase, Foxpro, Clipper, DataAce, DataFlex, DB, Vista, Quattro Pro, etc. Okay, so the next lecture for DBMS and RDBMS difference. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comment. We will glad to help you. Thanks for watching. Hit or like button or subscribe our channel for more details for next lecture.